Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, September 30th, 2021, and it's 5:21 and 41 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, the photonic chip. So let's hop to it here. Photonic chip is key to nurturing quantum computers. A team from Bristol's Quantum Engineering Labs has shown how to protect qubits from errors using photons in a silicon chip. Date September 29, 2021. Source University of Bristol. Quantum computers are gaining pace. They promise to provide exponentially more computing power for certain very tricky problems. They do this by exploiting the peculiar behavior of quantum particles, such as photons of light. However, quantum states of particles are very fragile. The quantum bits or qubits that underpin quantum computing pick up errors very easily and are damaged by the environment of the everyday world. Fortunately, we know in principle how to correct for these errors. Quantum error correcting codes are a method to protect or to nurture qubits by embedding them in a more robust entangled state of many particles. The team showed how large states of entangled photons can contain individual logic qubits and protect them from the harmful effects of the classical world. The chip is really versatile. It can be programmed to deliver different kinds of entangled states, called graphs. Each graph protects logical quantum bits of information from different environmental effects. Researchers say finding ways to efficiently deliver large numbers of error-protected qubits is key to one day delivering quantum computers. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on Advanced Technology, Space Science, and Astrophysics. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.